Cloudy, yellow headlights don't just make your car look old, they make night driving less safe. Over time, oxidation, UV rays, and road grime break down the plastic, leaving your headlights hazy and dull. The good news is, you don't have to replace them. Headlight restoration is a simple DIY job that can bring back clarity, improve your visibility, and instantly refresh the look of your car, all at a fraction of the cost of new headlights. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step, the right way. The plastic headlights on your automobile may eventually become yellow, hazy, or murky as a result of oxidation, UV radiation, and road filth. This can endanger safety because it not only ages the appearance of your car, but also makes it harder to see at night. The good news is that you don't have to replace your headlights because restoration is an easy, do-it-yourself operation that can yield amazing results at a very low cost. A headlight restoration kit, 3M, turtle wax, or Cerakote are common options. Masking tape, sandpaper in various grits, $600 to $3,000. A water spray bottle, a microfiber cloth, polishing compound, and a UV protective sealer are the supplies you'll need to get started. While professional kits or sanding techniques last considerably longer, home solutions like baking soda or non-gel toothpaste can briefly enhance clarity if you're in a crisis. To start, wash the headlights with soap and water to get rid of any surface grime. Next, shield the paint surrounding the headlamp using masking tape. Wet sanding is the most efficient technique. First, mist the lens with water, then begin sanding with a coarse grit, 600 or 800. Use horizontal or vertical motions to maintain a uniform layer of sand and a wet surface. Ascend gradually via finer grits, 1,500, 2,000, and up to 3,000, which reduce scratches and oxidation. Here, patience is crucial. The more steady you are, the clearer the headlights will get. To restore gloss and clarity after sanding, use a polishing pad or microfiber cloth to apply a polishing compound. This process provides the lens a glossy appearance and gets rid of any little scratches from sanding. It is essential to apply a UV protective coating or sealer as soon as you are happy with the clarity. In the absence of this, headlights will rapidly oxidize and fade once more. Although many repair kits will include a sealer for longer-lasting protection, you can also use a ceramic coating or clear UV spray. After attempting this procedure, drivers frequently claim that their headlights appear almost new and have much increased brightness at night. You may save hundreds of dollars on replacements and increase the safety of nighttime driving with just 1 hour's labor and less than $20 worth of supplies. One of the simplest and most satisfying auto maintenance tasks is do-it-yourself headlight restoration. Without spending a fortune on a trip to the technician, you can prolong the life of your headlights, increase visibility, and update the appearance of your car with the correct tools and a little attention. If you found this video to be helpful, then you will also love this other video here on how to clean a clogged catalytic converter in under 5 minutes. And also subscribe and share this video to support the channel.